guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix IDM download button not showing. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy on how you can get IDM download button fixed. So what you need to do is just go ahead and open up your web browser. So right over here there are two steps. What you need to do is just go to your Chrome extension store, which is googlewebstore.com. And right over here, what you need to do is you can just download, IDMs. Simply type it in, and right over here you can just find your preferred IDM. But if you want a pre-installed IDM, which is usually there, what you need to do is just simply IDM download, press on that, and right over here you'll be able to see Internet Download Manager. You just gotta go ahead and press on that. And right over here, as you can see, you'll see the option of try IDM 30 days free trial. So you can just get the free trial or just do it from your download manager or just buy it if you want it. So just simply press on try IDM for 30 days free trial. Just get it like this, and it's free for 30 days, and then you can just buy now. And yeah, if you like it, just go ahead and get its 1 year license, or if you want more, just do it on your depending price and you're good to go. You've basically fixed your IDM button. So yeah, this is it. I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon.